Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Good morning. I hope you guys had some good plays yesterday as we saw the market took a huge jump up. Yesterday was probably one of the most beautiful days that we've seen in this depressing bear red market that has been for the past 2 years. Yesterday you could see the momentum shift, not only from just the charts showing these numbers, but you could visibly see that the entirety of crypto Twitter itself is changing its mentality. And I love the post that I'm seeing where it's like, are all the bears dead yet? Because that's what it looks like. And that's not going to stop, right? The market's going to continue on this uptrend, and let's just look at these charts. I mean, this is just Bitcoin. It's just Bitcoin here. And what do we know from Bitcoin? There we go. And what do we know for Bitcoin? It has literally, let's look at just yesterday alone, it moved 11%. Just in the time for yesterday. Let's start here. Yeah. In one full day, we had an 11.77% up. If you had been trading on Margex and taken leverage on this position and only gone for 1%, that would be 100% gain at 100x leverage. If you do that with this, that's 1100% gain. So you would 11x whatever you put in. And this narrative, if you caught the bottom to the top. And with this number, what does that look like? That is, if you had $100, that'd be $1,100 in a one-day win, right? So think of the market that way. Don't look at it like, oh, Bitcoin was 51K, now it's 57K, I missed 7K. I used to think that way, and that's not gonna really help. And not just from that, but then we start like looking. Yeah, like look, this token, I saw this bad boy yesterday. It's still not terrible liquidity. And just because the market liquidity is moving into these big cryptos, we give it a little bit of time, it will follow through to altcoins. Like, for example, let's look at Solana. It's an altcoin. From yesterday's gain, and then 10% gain. You could have been in any crypto market yesterday and made a bunch of profit. And I hope you played. I hope you played because it was a beautiful day. And this is just for like this type of coin. Now let's go to like CAS, which is a full-blown meme token, right? Or micro cap is the right word. What did yesterday do for that micro cap? Not very much, right? But now we wait for the liquidity to enter. It went into the big cryptos. Now it's entering the altcoins, and with enough time, it will enter. With enough time, it will enter the meme tokens, and then that's where we pounce and make our 1000x's, 2000x's. What I do recommend people do with BTC and Ethereum is either long-term trade it, swing trade it, or just long-term invest in it because it's a long-term holding type of asset. If you had been holding Ethereum every year, about one even, you would be up. It's like a couple of 1000% if you look at a DCA cost average. That's why I really like our algo here and using DCA. DCA is made for long-term investing, where like the little momentum signals, I try to use them for quick in and outs, and they're not always perfect because we're trying to catch quick swings and potential shifts, right? So it's a little bit more difficult where DCA, this equation's beautiful. And the equation will just keep going. And if you follow all the DCA's buy-in and buy-outs, you would literally have the perfect advantage. And I actually just have a bot following through, and I love it. And I think anybody can do something like that. You just have to research it a little bit. You can use my link below for the algo. And if you've got questions on it, message me. I'm becoming kind of an expert at using it. I love this thing. It makes it way easier. And trading's a very emotional game. So if you don't have an emotional control or a strategy, you tend to make the wrong decision. And it's not just you, it's every trader. So please don't feel like it's just one person. It's all of us. I've made the mistake 100 times more. So just be patient and don't be afraid to take those small strategy risks, especially if they fit your narrative and are not a risk enough where you will lose everything. So think that way when you're playing in the market. Let me know what you guys think. Any new opportunities, leave those comments below. I'll make a Jasmine video here soon because people keep asking, and it actually looks like it's a good opportunity. We just need to do some TA. We got to check the TA, right? Thanks, everybody. We'll see you guys on the next one.